Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 350 rupees per a month. You will get well in advance those prediction details as well as calls in the group. And if you want to support me, you can donate me in this bank detail. Let's go to today's market. Nifty ended up in the flat negative 11,588.20, 12 points in the negative, 0.10% in the negative. Opened around 11,590.70, which is well below the pivot level. Low went around 11,539.20 and high went around 11,655.05. Let's go to my prediction review. In my prediction, the ratio indicated negative direction and average indicated negative and absolute frequency indicated negative, but weightage indicated positive. But we know that difference of 1 point comes means the market will directly shows in the opposite direction, which means two indications are in the negative and two indications are in the positive, which means 50-50. It is a kind of volatile market. I have shown that, but still those basic steps we need to follow that I have informed about. But on this particular day, the basics both resistance and both support level broken, which means it is not going to be the bullish or bearish, because if bullish or bearish, any these levels need not to break. In this case, the high is around 11,655 and low is around 11,539, which is broken the both sides. So you can check out. The high is around 11,655 and low is around 11,539, which is broken both sides. So it is not going to be a extremely bullish or extremely bearish. If it needs to be extremely bearish, means this resistance level need not to break. If it is going to be extremely bullish, means this support level need not to break, then only it will go extremely bullish. If this particular resistance level is not going to break, it will come extremely bearish. This is the basic step. So the high and low, it is not broken, it has broken both sides. And one more thing what we need to watch out in our data, the volatile level, it has kept as high 11,657 in our volatile range, average range shows. So on Tuesday it has kept high 11,655.05. That is the high. And here in the downside, the low kept in the still volatile range 11,539 is the low, 11,539 is the low. So it has oscillated in between volatile range. That is the reason it has closed in the flattish range. It is not in the extremely bullish or bearish. Let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. On Wednesday, the ratio indicating evenly poised 6:6, average indicating positive, absolute frequency indicating positive, and weightage indicating error. And the weightage here small correction. So 1.41 is the weightage. So it has indicated positive. The ratio evenly poised and absolute frequency average is on the positive and absolute frequency in the positive. Whenever the evenly poised is coming, all three results are possible, and the basic steps need to be followed. It may be extremely bearish and it may be extremely bullish or flat positive. All three results are possible, but the basic rules need to be followed. For example, anything below that pivot level, the market will always try to go down, and anything above that level, market will be on the bullish. This is the basic step. And for example, if the market is opens in the flat negative or negative side, we must have to keep stop loss resistance level and go for a short. So it may become extremely bearish. So it may close any range, and if it is closed down in the open target level, then we can still hold the position, and it may go to any extent. 11,533.4 is the open target level. This particular level is breaking, then in the open target will come, and it may go to any extent. And if the market is opens in the flat positive, we can keep support level 1 as a stop loss and go for a buy. So it may become extremely bullish as well. So it is according to the pre-market open, and the bullish open target level which we are having around 11,662. So 11,672 is the stop loss, and if this particular stop loss is not getting, the market will fall once again. If this particular level is breaking, then the market will become open target level. So according to the pre-opening, we need to watch out if the market is opens in the gap down, and if it is breaking this 11,543, then we need to play cautiously, keeping stop loss in the resistance level 1. So 11,625 with a stop loss of 10 points, 11,635.50. Keeping this stop loss and going for a short is advisable. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.